Okay, so I logged into my YouTube studio and I've noticed something odd. I'm seeing this ineligible for monetization, and it's on videos which were previously monetized. So let me go to another page. There's ineligible, ineligible, more ineligible. And this looks like it's a glitch right now because if you refresh it, looks like some of them turn back on. See? And then some of them get ineligible. So if you do happen to see this on your videos, I guess don't freak out. Maybe refresh your page, or just give it some time. Hopefully this isn't anything permanent, because if YouTube starts randomly, demonetizing your videos for some that were monetized before, this could be a real problem. So hopefully this is just a glitch and it's something that they're working through right now. So if any of you had similar problems, be sure to leave that in the comments area below, because I would like to know if you are also now ineligible for monetization.
For serious YouTubers, check out TubeBuddy, the premier tool news at geekoutdoors.com. Get more done today by checking out the affiliate link in the description area below.